Hey everyone, whether you're new to social media or just looking for some fresh ideas, today, I'm here to share some quick tips on using social media to connect with your church community. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Be consistent. First up, consistency is key. Posting regularly, like once or twice a week, helps keep your church community engaged. It doesn't have to be every day. Just make sure people know when to expect your posts. Tip 2. Share real stories. Next, share real stories from your church members. People love to see what's happening in the community. It could be a testimony, an event recap, or even just a simple thank you message. Real stories build real connections. Tip 3. Ask questions. Don't just post, ask. Questions are a great way to get people talking. You could ask for favorite Bible verses, prayer requests, or feedback on a recent sermon. When people comment, it creates a conversation. Tip 4. Use visuals. Visuals are powerful. Use photos, videos, and graphics to catch people's attention. A picture of a smiling face or a short video from last Sunday's service can say more than words ever could. And finally, remember to respond and engage. When someone comments or messages your page, reply back. It shows that you care and helps build a stronger community. So there you have it. Here are a few simple tips to help you engage your church community on social media. Thanks for watching, and remember, the connection starts with a simple post. See you online.